Welcome. This is the read aloud for the Geometry Module 2 Common Assessment. Please pause the recording in between questions if you need some more time, and of course, if you have any questions, let me know. Question number 1. The coordinates of triangle ABC are shown on the coordinate plane provided. Triangle ABC is dilated from the origin by a scale factor of 2, r equals 2. Scroll down. Part A, which of the following would be the coordinates of the dilated triangle A', B', C'? Choice A would be 4, 6, B', -2, 0, and C', 2, -6. Option B, A' is 6, 4, B' is 0, -2, and C' is -6, 2. Option C, A' is 3, 2, B' is 0, -1, and C' is -3, 1. Option D, A' is 6, 2, B' is 0, -1, and C' is -6, 1. Part B. Which statement below best describes the relationship between triangle A', B', C' and triangle ABC? Option A. Triangle A', B', C' and triangle ABC are similar because after the dilation, their corresponding sides are proportional in length and their corresponding angles are equal in measurement. Option B. Triangle A', B', and C' and triangle ABC are similar because after the dilation, their corresponding sides and corresponding angles are all equal in measurement. Option C. Triangle A', B', C' and triangle ABC are not similar because after the dilation, their corresponding sides are not proportional in length and their corresponding angles are not equal in measurement. And option D, triangle A', B', C' and triangle ABC are not similar because after the dilation, their corresponding sides and corresponding angles are not all equal in measurement. Question 2. In the diagram provided, triangle ABC is similar to triangle APQ. Read each statement and then arrange the true-false statements in order. So they would like you to write true or false after each of these statements. Statement 1, triangle ABC is similar to triangle APQ by AA, similarity criterion. B, triangle ABC is similar to triangle APQ by SSS, similarity criterion. Segment PQ is shorter than segment BC. And finally, the last one, by the triangle proportionality theorem, side PB over side BA is equal to side QC over side CA. Again, true or false after each of those 4 statements. Question 3. In the graph provided, triangle N', O', P' is the image of triangle NOP after a dilation. Part A, what is the scale factor? Is it 1/3, 5/3, 7/2, or 3/5? And part B, what is the center of dilation? A, 0, 0, B, -8, -4, C, 9, -3, or D, 4, 1. Question 4. In the diagram provided, triangle FGH is transformed to triangle F', G', H' in such a way that triangle FGH is similar to triangle F', G', H'. Following transformation sequences will correctly map triangle FGH to triangle F', G', H'. Option A. Translate point G to point F' and then perform a dilation at the origin with a scale factor of 3. Option B. Translate point F to point F' and then perform a dilation at the origin with a scale factor of 1/3. Option C. Translate point G to point F' and then perform a dilation at the origin with a scale factor of 1/3. Option D. Translate point F to point F' and then perform a dilation at the origin with a scale factor of 3. Question 5. Part A. Which rule explains why these triangles are similar? Option A is AA. Option B is SAS. Option C is SSS. Or option D, they are not similar. Part B, what is AB? Write the number only. Number 6. What is CE? Is it 12, 10, 8, or 5? Number 7. What are the properties of a dilation? Select all that apply. Option A, if the scale factor is 2, the dilation will enlarge in size. Option B, if the scale factor is 2, the dilation will shrink in size. Option C, if the scale factor is 1/2, the dilation will enlarge in size. And option D, if the scale factor is 1/2, the dilation will shrink in size. Question 8, Part A, how can we find the scale factor? Option A, find the length of MP and M'P', then write the ratios of the lengths M'P' over MP. Simplify. Option B, the scale factor is always 2. Option C, multiply the coordinates of each vertex by 2. Or option D, find the length of M'N' and N'O', then write the ratio of the lengths of M'N' over N'O' and simplify. Part B, what is the scale factor? Write the number only. Question 9. Shape QRST is similar to shape JGHI. Part A, which ratio could be used to determine the scale factor? Option A is 60/49. Option B is 20/28. Option C is 60/63. And option D is 49/20. Part B, what is JG? Write the number only. Question 10. In the diagram provided, a large flagpole stands outside of an office building. Marquise realizes that when he looks up from the ground, 40 meters away from the flagpole, the top of the flagpole and the top of the building line up. If the flagpole is 30 meters tall and Marquise is 200 meters from the building, How tall is the building? Option A, 70 meters. Option B, 150 meters. Option C, 266 meters. Or option D, 200 meters. Question 11 is a matching question. So for each of these images you see listed here, you want to match up with the 4 statements down below. So the triangles are similar by SSS. The triangles are not similar. Similar triangles by AA. And similar triangles by SAS. Question 12 is find X. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. Option A is 26.8. Option B is 26.9. Option C is 23.8. And option D is 23.9. Question 13 is also matching. Simplify each radical expression given in the table below, then drag the answers to correctly complete the table. So 2 square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 2, 3 square root of 2 minus square root of 2, and 2 square root of 6 times square root of 3. I'm going to move these choices one to each of those statements or expressions. 2 square root of 2, 6 square root of 2, 5 square root of 2. That's the last question. If you need anything or have any questions, let me know.